Hello everyone. Without wasting time, let us quickly continue from where we stopped in our previous video. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please do well to watch it, like, comment, and share. So let us start. Now we'll move to this other one, which is FeCl₂. This is iron 2 chloride. Of course, to know whether it is transitional or non-transitional, we have to first of all get for the oxidation state of iron here. So how do we go about it? Now take note, iron here, chlorine here is -1. So -1 times 2 is -2 equal to 0. So that iron here is equal to what now? +2. So telling you that iron has the oxidation state of +2, while chlorine has that of -1. So what do we do here? The second step is to write the electronic configuration for iron, 2 ion. So we come here to say 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6, 3d what? 3d6. So what do we do next? Now, since I have this, take note, this one that you are seeing here, because the electronic, the atomic number for iron is 26. So what do? You have to remove 2 electrons from this electronic configuration because it is iron 2 ion, and because it is metallic, there's always a remover of electrons, right? Now, the removal of electrons, as I've always told you, it's always been removed from the 4x, so that when this one should go away, I'm now having what 3d6, which is my major food for thought. So 3d6. Now take note. In our previous video, I indicated if I'm having from D1 to D9, it is transitional. But if it is D0 or D10, it is non-transitional. So because here is D6, right? It is this compound here is what now? Transitional. Why? Because of the presence of a partially filled what now? Orbital, which is what you are seeing here. So this actually does make sense to us here, right? So let us quickly move to the next question. So look at it. So I'm to erase the board quickly. So let's quickly move to the next question. Now the next question is even much more easier, which is, this is a complex. This is a complex. So what do? We first of all get for the oxidation state of scandium here. So that scandium here, now take note, ammonia is a neutral molecule. Outside ammonia, we have water, we have carbon ions. These are neutral molecules. And when we say neutral molecules, they tend to have an oxidation state of 0. Right. So here is 0 times 6 is also what now? 0. So that scandium will also be in its neutral state. Here is 21. So I will write then the configuration for scandium, which is 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4x2, 3d1. Now, if I'm able to do it like this, it therefore means that because there is a 1 electron in the d orbital, scandium is said to be transitional. And this actually does make sense for us, and at the same time marks the end of this particular question. Now in our next video, we'll be talking about how to know whether a particular complex is colored or not colored, and this is due to some of the properties of transitional elements. Stay tuned, like, share, and comment. Thank you, and God bless you.